Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of November the 27th through December the 3rd, 2020. I do shop at Giant, but a lot of times the deals are the same or similar as Stop and Shop and Martin's. Make sure you check your own ads and prices in store before you do these exact same deals. Deals are a little slow this week. I think at most of the time after Thanksgiving. Grocery stores just kind of take a step back, take a deep breath, and like, oh, we made it through Thanksgiving. And sometimes the deals are a little slow, but we'll probably still see some good deals for the week of, or for the month of December. Can't believe we're already talking about that already. All right, so let's jump into the deals here. The Popsicle here, these are not on sale. They are $4.49. We have a $1.50 load to card, and then Fetch is giving back 1,750 points, which is equal to $1.75, making it a cost of $1.24. My kids absolutely love these things, so I was pretty excited about getting them. Now, I did have to correct my Fetch receipt. It didn't even recognize that as being the Popsicles for the rebate, so usually Fetch is really good about giving you the points you deserve. So I will be checking that later, and they're usually pretty quick about it too. But just don't submit your receipt and don't correct it, because you won't get your points if you do that. The Kellogg's, they're 3 for $5. I pretty much only did this deal because if you guys remember a few weeks back, I printed off I used my points, printed off dollar coupons, and they were supposed to be for Pop-Tarts, so I thought when I went to use them in the store, they were for Nutrigrain or Rice Krispie treats. So I had 3 of those dollar printables that I had spent my points on, so I didn't want to waste them. So I paid $2 or 67 cents a piece. Sorry guys if my voice is annoying. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm losing my voice for some reason. So, I don't know, it's weird. Okay. There's a baking deal. It's all kinds of baking products. It's flour. I don't even want to say them all because I don't know. But check in your baking aisle. Stuff is tagged. There's like chocolate chips and stuff, but everything's around like the $1.59 to like $1.89. I think there are a few things a little bit more than that. But if you grab something similar in price, this will get you close to the price point. These are just items that I needed. The flour is $1.59, and the strawberry jelly is $1.79. Aldi's price is like $1.59 or something like that. So this definitely beats Aldi. And in my house, if my kids aren't going to eat my dinner that I'm cooking, I don't make a separate meal. They get peanut butter and jelly. So that's how we do it at our house. You may make your kids eat stuff, whatever. But anyway, $5.55 for 3 jellies, 2 things of flour, or only $1.11 a piece. So that's a good enough deal for me. Like I said, you can totally customize that deal to things that you would want. Sorry guys. The soda is 3 for $3. And if you use the in-ad coupon, now I had purchased milk and a few other things that I didn't include in the haul just because they're not really worth mentioning. So my total before coupons was over $25. It was definitely under coupons, or under $25 after my coupons, but that instant coupon, or that in-ad coupon 3 for $3 works just fine. Okay, so the Skippy, they are $2. I had a 2 off of 3 load to card, which I was thinking it was 2 off of 2. That's stacked with the 75 cents off of 1. Now, there is a spend 20, get back $4 on coupons.com. I also submitted for the 75 cents when you get 2 because for some reason I've noticed, I've tested it out, that coupons.com, when you pair them with like digital offers on your Giant receipt, it says personal discount. It doesn't say like a coupon, so you can try that. I don't know if I'll get that back or not, but I just submitted for that since I was already submitting for the $4 back. Now I also, I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I was thinking it was 2 off of 2 and that 75 cents would stack, and then I would have one that didn't have a coupon really applied to it, but it was 2 off of 3, so I don't know what I was thinking. But there was a 35 cents peely, or not peely, it's kind of weird. It was like completely wrapped around the product, but I used that. It did double, but obviously it had to be approved because I had already had a coupon on it. So You probably don't want to do that, but that's what I did because I wasn't thinking correctly. Anyway, so if you don't use that coupon, it'd be $3.25 or $1.08. I might get that 75 cents from coupons.com. We'll just have to wait and see. But for me, I actually paid $2.55, maybe less if I get that rebate. Alright guys, sorry about the annoying voice. But anyway, that's the deals that I got this week at Giant. Kind of slow, but I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys in my next video.